Hello, my name is Tom Fuerstner. I'm the founder of Riddle & Code, which is a hardware company. But because we do so many different blockchain hardware solutions, so we start with NFC tags, RFID tags, hardware secure modules, secure servers, SGX enclaves, and so on. We needed a blockchain which were capable to help us to orchestrate all the devices, all the different blockchains, and all the different systems. So since 2 years, we were using something called BigchainDB. I think it's well known. They moved on last year, as you know, to a project called Ocean, or Ocean Protocol. And then we took over the code as code maintainer and altogether brought it into an institution called IPDB, which is the Interplanetary Database, yes, which already existed there. And the Interplanetary Database is now maintaining the code. So what we did is, and I think this is quite interesting, if you build a blockchain which is a metadata blockchain, you have to deal with one thing, that you have to manage the longest string in the world. So it doesn't matter which chain you use, yes? It's always a string, and the string grows, and the string grows, and the string grows. And the string is not only residing on your computer or on a server in the cloud. Yes, the string has to be manageable through your mobile phone or through a small hardware wallet or an NFC tag. And this is exactly what we did. So we took the code of BigchainDB, IPDB, split it into several parts, and reconnected it together. So we have now a multi-solution or multi-layer solution, which starts on the top with Tarantool. I don't know whether you know Tarantool. Tarantool is a mixture of a file system, an innovative one, and a database, and also a computing or application service. So within this application service, we have simply lists and tables which resemble the transactions and where we collect all the transactions. And at the bottom, we have, as a consensus layer, Tendermint. And this works very well. So after rebuilding it, we are capable to run it on any mobile phone. You just need a hard disk, and your mobile phone turns into a full-blown full node for more or less any kind of blockchain you could imagine. So this principle that you start something on your phone, then it works on your servers, it works on your laptops, and it works inside the cloud is a very convenient one and a very powerful one. And it also enables you to experiment a little bit with what could transactions do. They are not only focused on monetary aspects. So you have suddenly transactions about ownership, DIDs, SSIs, and so on. So the system is set up. I think next week we are going to release a new web page. And with the new web page, we will also do the first release of the next generation BigchainDB. Yes, it's going to be a chain of all chains, or it's going to be a meta blockchain, and that's it. I'm looking forward to present it a little bit more in detail in the future. Thank you.